If you are over 50 and struggling with chronic back pain, a stiff body or stubborn belly fat, this gentle Tai Chi is tailored for you. By moving slowly and comfortably, you can easily release spine tension, boost your daily energy, and naturally restore a youthful, healthy posture. Keep your spine comfortably straight. Breathe in deeply, and gently swing your arms down as you tip your toes. Slowly breathe out, releasing back tension, improving balance and smoothly activating your core circulation. Take a break. Next movement. Raise your arms smoothly to shoulder height. As you gently tip your toes, pull your arms back comfortably to your waist. Inhale to open, exhale to return. This flow soothes your lower back, burns belly fat, and enhances posture. Take a break. Next movement. Relax your body and comfortably extend one arm upward, gently swinging it in a smooth, fluid motion. Inhale as the arm rises. Exhale as it softly falls. It efficiently relieves shoulder stiffness, opens the chest, and stimulates energy. Take a break. Next movement. Place your hands gently on your shoulders. Slowly rotate your elbows in a circle, smoothly guiding your torso to turn. Inhale as you lift. Exhale as you relax down. This fully releases spine stiffness, trims the waistline, and massages deep tissue. Take a break. Next movement. Open your arms smoothly to the sides. Gently expand your chest and comfortably lift your gaze slightly upward. Deeply inhale to fill your lungs, exhale to soften. It perfectly corrects rounded shoulders, eases upper back discomfort, and calms the mind. Take a break. Next movement. Step softly to the side and back. Inhale as your arms lift, then smoothly pull them down flat from above. Exhale to ground your weight comfortably. This movement stabilizes your legs, gently shapes the abdominal area, and unlocks hip tightness. Take a break. Next movement. Step softly to the side, lifting your arms comfortably high above your head. Inhale gently to expand your posture, then exhale to relax. This soft stretch completely relieves spine stiffness, gently trims belly fat, and enhances your full body flexibility. Take a break. Next movement. Gently lift your knee while comfortably pressing your arms down from above. Inhale as you reach up smoothly, and exhale softly to lower. It beautifully soothes lower back pain, strengthens your balance, and targets deep belly fat. Take a break. Next movement. Step into a comfortable forward lunge, softly swinging your arms up and down. Inhale smoothly as they rise and exhale to let them fall. This flow completely releases shoulder tension, safely stimulates joint circulation, and restores your daily vitality. Take a break. Next movement. Lower yourself into a comfortable squat, softly hugging your arms. Then open them flat as you stand straight. Inhale to expand your chest. Exhale to gently sink. It gently soothes spine pain, activates leg strength, and melts away stubborn belly fat. Take a break. Next movement. Lift your knee comfortably, gently guiding your opposite elbow to softly meet it. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale to smoothly twist. This mindful twist gently massages your organs, relieves hip stiffness, and efficiently burns abdominal fat. Take a break. Next movement. Tap your foot forward with your leg comfortably straight. Inhale to raise your arms high. Then exhale softly as you bend and swing them back. This smooth wave fully relieves lower back pain, improves leg flexibility, and gently revives your body's energy circulation. Take a break. Next movement. Gently raise your arms high, keeping your posture comfortably upright. Inhale as you lift, then slowly squat down while smoothly pulling your arms down parallelly. This soft flow relieves lower back stiffness, trims abdominal fat, and enhances hip mobility. Take a break. Next movement. Stand comfortably balanced and gently raise your back heel. Inhale softly as you lift, then slowly lower your heel while smoothly swinging your arms forward and down. This mindful movement soothes spinal discomfort, reduces stubborn belly fat, and strengthens ankle stability. Take a break. Next movement. Step softly to the side and back, keeping your upper body relaxed and comfortable. Inhale gently as your arms roll inward, and exhale smoothly to swing them out. This continuous flow melts away upper back tension, trims the waistline, and harmonizes internal energy. Take a break. Next movement. Gently lift your knee while keeping your posture comfortably upright. Inhale as your arms reach upward softly. Then exhale smoothly as you swing them down from above. This fluid motion efficiently relieves sciatica pain, activates abdominal fat burning, and promotes body balance. Take a break. Next movement. Slowly bend your waist, letting your upper body relax completely as your fingertips gently reach toward your toes. Inhale to find space and exhale softly to deepen the stretch. It beautifully relieves lower back compression, elongates the hamstrings, and boosts overall flexibility. Take a break. Next movement. Lower into a comfortable half squat, softly bending your waist, and smoothly stretch from left to right. Inhale as you transition through the center, and exhale gently to extend. This gentle flow releases deep spinal stiffness, tones the lateral abdominal muscles, and opens the hips safely. If you found this gentle healing flow helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more daily Tai Chi fitness.